Hello, so welcome back. So what we're going to do in this video is run the same experiment that we did in previous video with our prompt that's been improved, and we're going to see at scale if our prompt has actually improved. And one of the cool things we're going to be able to do here is actually take the two experiments and compare them directly. All right, so let's go. So firstly, we need to navigate to experiments, and as we've done before, go over to run experiment. All right, and here what we're going to do very simply is just put in the same variables that we did last time. So let's go over here, select our evaluations. We're going to do duplicate tool call and extraction error. Okay. And then we'll go over here and select our data set. And if you recall last time, we did festival experiment data set. So we're going to do that. This was the larger data set, if you recall, that we made. Here I'm going to do every line. So perhaps for the purposes of the class, you don't want to go over your limit, and so you can reduce the number of lines you run in the experiment, okay? Let's go over here, and we'll turn simulate tools off, okay? Now let's run our experiment. Alrighty then, so we ran our entire experiment. It only took 40 seconds to run completely, and we have all over 100 logs. So actually what we can do now is go and grab our first experiment and click here, and doing that, we'll be able to compare with the experiment we just ran, okay? Now, if you look here, we can see all the statistics about this. So as you can see here, duplicate tool call in our new experiment has 0 matches. So that is amazing. We did not duplicate tool calls one time, so we actually completely fixed that issue for this experiment. And you can see here that previously we had 99% matches. So that's been great. That's been resolved. And then extraction error, we have 89% of passes. So it's actually a great number. Previously, we only had 4% of passes. So with that simple change we made, we've actually improved the quality of this prompt dramatically. Now with these types of numbers, perhaps we would like to get to 95% passing for extraction error. However, this is quite good for an LLM and for a feature in general. So now that we have a prompt that's all in order, we're going to take this, and in the next video, we're going to show you with these logs how we can create a golden data set. And with this golden data set, we're going to be able to use it to avoid regression in the future.